This is a sophisticated and heavy layer of the cycle. Favoritism isn't actually about love, it's about leverage. The favoritism is used as a weapon to shame the others, and the lesser children are used to keep the favor in line. Talking about today, weaponizing favoritism, the control cycle. We need to talk about a darker side of Genesis 37. Sometimes a parent doesn't have a favorite because they actually love one child more. They have a favorite because they want to control the others. When Jacob put the coat on Joseph, he wasn't just blessing his son, he was sending a message to the other brothers. You aren't performing well. You're not performing well enough to earn this. This is called triangulation. It's a power move by putting children against each other. The parent stays at the center of all attention and power. If the siblings are busy fighting each other for the top spot, they'll never team up to question the parent's dysfunctional behavior. If you grew up in a house where love was used as a carrot on a stick to make you perform, you weren't in a family, you were in a competition. Joseph was the golden child, used to shame the others, and the brothers were the scapegoat used to keep Joseph afraid of losing his status. Breaking this cycle means realizing that real love doesn't require a winner and a loser. Weaponized favoritism, how parents control through competition, the golden child versus the scapegoat, breaking the family trap. Why your parents pitted you against your siblings? A puppeteers, the control game. Was love a prize in your house that only one person could win? Sometimes favoritism isn't about affection, it's about control. Putting siblings against each other is a classic cycle that ruins families. Let's talk about how to stop competing and start healing. Click on the link below to view the full episode on breaking cycles.